with my DIY. Welcome. In today's video, I want to show you a couple ways to arrange the tulips. They're such a beautiful flowers in the spring. We all get them. And you know, when you buy a bunch in the foil bag, they're not that presentable. Or you know, maybe you have so many in your garden and you want to bring some inside the house. I'm going to show you some fun, creative, easy ways to arrange them and enjoy them. Let's get started.
First idea is to make an arrangement in a vase made out of sticks. We're gonna need some tulips, sticks you can find in the park, and a jar, like a pickle jar that I have. By the way, did you know that tulips grow after they're cut? Look how long these got. They actually outgrew the bag that I bought them in. First thing that I'm doing is measuring the sticks, and since these are dry sticks, it's very easy to just snap them. So I want to make sure they're more or less the same height and they're tall enough to cover the jar. Next, I am going to arrange the sticks side by side all around to cover the jar. And I'm not gluing these, I'm just going to use a rubber band to secure these to the jar. But you can go ahead and use your hot glue if you like to have a more stable arrangement. I like it looking loosely like that, and rubber band is enough for me. Next, I am going to grab a piece of raffia and just tie a simple bow around the jar. This is looking so cute already, and I'm just adding some water. Next, remove the bottom leaves and cut the stems. These tulips really grew so much, I have to cut almost half the stems. And now to arrange tulips, I take them all in my hand and tap them a little bit, and they're gonna arrange by themselves. That's what I love about the tulips. They naturally go wherever they want to go. And for me, that's perfect. I don't want to change that. I just add a little butterfly, and I think the arrangement is perfect. What do you guys think? A second idea is to use the drooping tulips with the onion grass, and I use this arrangement on my Easter table. I have 10 white tulips and 2 bushes of blue onion grass that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I also have 2 Dollar Tree vases, similar in size. And same way as previously, we remove the bottom leaves and cut the stems. Next, you add the tulips to the vase, 5 each, and the same way, you let them fall gracefully where they may. I love that about tulips, and for me, the drooping effect is just special, graceful, beautiful. I'm keeping it like that. And with the onion grass, which adds the height to the arrangement, I think it is just perfect that way. What do you guys think? One major thing I want to point out to you is the vase makes a difference. You see the top of that vase is wider as opposed to this one going straight. I think it's much better to have a wider at the top vase to allow your tulips to just fall better. But you know, I had one of each different, so that's what I did. And I think the effect is just beautiful. As you notice, I also grabbed some freshly bloomed magnolias and added them in individual little, actually shot glasses, tube shots. And I think they just add so much gracefulness and beauty to the table. Here is another fun arrangement idea. I added the tulips in a vase just like previously, and then I added some grapevines and a little birdie on the side. And then I put a little chalkboard sign for my friend with her birthday wishes. And then I tied a bow in a complementary color to finish the look. Coco and I just took a walk in the garden and we picked up a couple more blossoms for you guys. How about we show you a few more spring arrangement ideas? Look at this gorgeous Japanese cherry blossoms. How beautiful. And the beautiful lilacs. Who can resist the smell of that? I always have to cut a couple pieces and I like to bring it to my kitchen, just add it to a pitcher, and that's it. This is already made a beautiful arrangement. Doesn't take much at all. I love it so much, and it fills my kitchen with this beautiful, beautiful smell. Ooh. I also grabbed a few pieces of that Japanese cherry. Look at these beautiful blossoms. They're like little roses. And all I'm doing is taping them right there and just inserting in a vase. It's a perfect little round bouquet. What do you guys think? I absolutely love it. And I am so blessed to have this view out of my kitchen window.
Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel for more fun ideas in the future. And I hope I had inspired you a little bit to create some fun arrangements and bring some spring inside your home. Take care guys. Bye bye.